Hello everyone, it's Sega again with another guide, this time on how to restore justice in League of Legends. This guide is very simple. You will only need two things, and that is to have more than one brain cells, and the second thing is to have less than 3 brain cells, because that's how many you need to pick and play Garen. Now you might be wondering why I would want to bring back justice to League of Legends. And that is an excellent question. Let me ask you, fair players of this not-so-fair game, how many times have you had the opportunity to play against people who behave like complete criminals? Especially a lot. Huh. I think everything is clear. Come with me on this amazing adventure where we will root out evil from this game. Just like I said, you will need Garen if you want to restore justice in this game. I believe some are wondering, why Garen? Why wouldn't you just play another champion like Kayle, or Azir, or fucking Rek'Sai? Well, my faithful viewer, that's because no other character brings justice like Garen. Who else shouts, "Justice!" when trying to kill someone? Okay, the first thing you need to understand is this combo. Just be careful not to blink, or you'll miss it. What? You haven't seen it? It doesn't matter, I have another one. Just look carefully. Don't blink. It's that simple. All you have to do is rush them with your Q, click E, maybe some fire, and finally, justice. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. These are your runes and these are the items. Although you can build whatever you want, but you can't kill people however you want. You only have and need one combo, and that's justice. Look at this, another criminal. Don't worry, there is my colleague Xerath. He will help me with this case. Oh no, fellow bear is in danger. Don't worry, I will help you. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh look, Bard, we have a runner. All units surround that guy. You won't escape this time. Damn, looks like they have us. Or do they? Put the feathers down! This is for my sake. Look at this Annie. He looks innocent at first glance. But you are unaware of the fact that she has a lot of illegal substances in her bear. She was punished for her crimes, and I, as a right hand of justice, got to escape without consequence. Man, how I hate playing against the ranged top laners. They are the biggest criminals, as well as people who help them. Good thing none of them have more brain cells than me, because they would kill me for sure. Go back to the dirty holes you came from, fools. Hogma, don't you know that spitting is strictly prohibited by law 80085? If you didn't know, then justice will teach you. Okay, to survive I just need to... Do you remember at the beginning of the video how I said that there is no other way to kill people? Well, I fucking lied. This combo is called Spinning Justice, and it's one of my favorites. Observe. Helicopter, helicopter! This one is nothing special, just a simple slap with my long ass sword. I call it slap from my big ass sword. Justice. Wait, let me just get this tower. Okay. This next combo is called Horny Justice Bonk. Said stop resisting, I just want to show them my move on your meaningless life. Oh look, Swain is here too. You will get my special move. Now I want to show you a special move on this yo... What? What the fuck was that? What? A Rift Herald in my town? That won't work. You won't go far with him. Wait for it, wait for it. Just a second. What did I say? Now you will be punished with... Move. Oh my god, look! Shaco! He is one of the most broken characters in this game. I doubt we will ever be able to kill him with such primitive combo. Here, in the name of justice, before honest people and greedy Riot Games, I promise you kill with my fire. Justice never lies. Observe, ordinary people. You just have to wait a little. Yippee! I'm going to do it again. But this time the ranged top laner will have the honor of burning in hell. Watch carefully. Nice, I did it. What? You think she died to my ult? Okay, I'll rewind just to prove you wrong. Okay, look. Look carefully. Just concentrate on her dying to my fire.
Did I jump scare you? Yeah, I bet I did. You coward. You make me sick. Your weakness is pathetic.
You know what? You'll see my incredibly perfectly perfect move, better known as slap from my big ass sword. Justice. I think we can all agree that no other combo could ever be better than a simple Justice combo that requires an incredible amount of concentration. Enough sarcasm. I seriously think this is the best combo, because I don't have to work hard. One button and that's it. He's dead. Why would I bother killing someone with 1,000,001 combos when I can just bonk them with my sword, turn around a bit, and in the end, sweet justice. The fact that others think it's no skill is not my problem. It's actually theirs. I like to enjoy simplicity. Why bother killing these complicated characters with complicated combos, where I can just click a few buttons and be done? I don't think I have to explain any more to you, but in the end I should explain a little more to these softies. Justice! Forget them! Look, Annie's selling her nonsense again. How many times do I have to teach you this lesson, old man? Oh no! Our friend Twisted Future is attacked by 2 enemies. Dear God! I really don't know what we could do against that one enemy. Oh no! Comrade Volibear is in danger. I have a solution. No! Now Comrade Rust is in danger. I advise you not to kill him. Okay, you two have crossed the line. You think that you can escape just like that? After such a crime? Think again. Look! Ex-convict Silas, it's time for your last meal. Justice is on the menu. You know, as a crime fighter, you have to know one thing, and that is to be patient, because you never know when will a criminal come your way. And that's why I have to wait. Oh look, there he is. Oh, now he knows I'm here. But this guy doesn't. I guess it's true what they say. Justice is blind. No, Shaka, please. I have no money on me. I just want to get home. I just... Help! Somebody call an ambulance! But not for me, though. You know what? It's time to wait for some outlaw again. I'm gonna jump scare the next one. Just you wait. Justice! Don't you dare kill my friend again. I warned you. Now feel the wrath of my... Justice! You can kill me now. Justice has been served. Guys, I think it's time to show that bitch and that faker guy who is the real legend.